There's Big Bad Pete Hager. Alright guys, welcome back to another epic episode of Quad Nation. So today, we've got to finally meet Pete Hager. Here we have the quads right here. Megatron and Pete's quad. Pete, man, it's awesome to finally meet you.
Awesome to meet you too, dude.
So your quad, man, it's stunning. Can you go ahead and go over a few things about it, man?
Well, I figured add more red. You can always add more red. So there's a lot of cosmetic. There's a lot of cosmetic upgrades on here. As far as performance goes, it just has the big three now.
All right.
You know, I'm kind of old school in the sense that I wanted some of these Pro Armor products since they don't make them anymore. So I did get Pro Armor heelless Nerf guards because I wanted to, or I did get Pro Armor heelless Nerf bars because I wanted to utilize the aluminum factory heel guard that came with a special edition. It's
okay.
Pro Armor bully bumper. We got the G.
Yep, I've seen this in all the videos. It always looks great.
Yeah, I mean, I thought it was a really cool opportunity when I first saw it because I was like, oh, I could totally have that painted. So it's fun to see what people do with their machines. You can customize them and totally make them your own. So
yeah,
the most important favorite part on here is the stabilizer. It's literally changed everything for me.
Yes, I see that.
You can ride so much more relaxed, and you don't have to worry about a tire getting caught on anything on the trail and pulling you. Actually, it sounds like I might have to do some work to the front end here too this spring.
Why is it
fit? Going to do the shocks and get longer travel arms in the front. Yeah, it's finally gotten.
It is a little bit loose there, huh?
It is, but it's got over 100 hours on it, so.
Okay.
It's been ridden, you know, stuff.
Yeah.
Stuff wears out. We have a brand new Hermosi throttle on here.
Nice. Kind of go over that for us. What exactly does
cool.
it do?
Well, one thing that's really unique, you can even see on yours.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the profile.
That Lex pipe is super loud.
Yeah. So that profile, I see that. It's a much lower profile.
So what's interesting here, yeah, it's considerably less thick. There's actually a lot more stuff inside your factory throttle, so this is a simpler design. This is all 100% engineered to work together, even all the hardware, everything. Like Hermosi is super quality oriented. So because the quality is a huge focus for you, I mean, everything is made to be as durable as possible. So you have the vertical adjustment up and down, which you use these set screws to set.
Okay.
To make a higher performance, more. It's called the factory edition throttle that has more locking screws on it to really lock it down for guys that are really pushing it.
Okay.
Through rough terrain, mainly moto guys and pro riders. So the coolest thing now is the adjustability, the three-way adjustability. I'll get on this side.
All right.
The three-way adjustability. So I can bring it all the way.
Oh, do that again?
So this would be all the way back.
Okay.
You've got a middle point, then we can go all the way out as well. And
oh, nice.
While you're riding. So it's actually pretty interesting if you're...
Wow.
Let's say you're doing a lot of really technical terrain and then you get on something that's just wide open and you're doing a lot of flooring it.
Yeah.
I never experienced a product like this, so it was pretty cool to actually play with it for my first ride on Friday.
Yeah.
And you kind of get spoiled quick. It's like... right away I was like, ooh, I gotta move it right back. I gotta move it forward because the terrain changed. And it was actually really nice. I mean, to be able to put it all the way out and to floor it and have your thumb be in that natural position.
Yeah.
Versus have it all the way and have to push it so far. If you're really rowdy terrain, I mean, it's something you don't really think about that would be nice to have until you finally experience it.
Yeah.
So they're not that expensive. I mean, I'm pretty sure the factory throttle's around $300. This original throttle is a little over $200.
Okay.
The factory one has a... That thing is loud.
Yeah, it is.
The factory throttle has a lifetime warranty. It's made on a little higher quality material, you could say. So you kind of get what you pay for, but even their original throttle, I mean, that's what's on here right now. The main reason I don't have the factory is they're doing the factory in red now.
Oh,
so that's supposed to come up.
Fuel to burns out there, buddy.
Dude, that thing is loud.
Bro, it's nice.
It is loud. Let's see, what else could be on here that we could be talked about.
So that's pretty cool, man. I like that.
This just has a matching elbow grab bar, or just a red elbow grab bar on the back. Accidentally kind of put a dent there, but whatever. It's got some character. So I do want to do a nice big rotor guard and sprocket guard for this and get rid of my skid plate.
Okay.
That'd be something to do in the spring. I want to do the wheel upgrade. We'll get a wider axle for it and do longer travel arms in the front most likely. It'll all happen with time.
Nice.
And actually, there's no examples here, but the Wrath Racing Nerf bars are just unbelievable. They're super expensive, but the platform is just massive. You have so much room for your feet. They look super trick on the quad. Like, as much as I love the setup on here, like I actually really want to get Wrath Nerf bars now. So I may look into that for a mod this spring too. So, and then of course the new Rossier exhaust sounds awesome.
Yes, man, that exhaust is, and you know I had my eyes on that for a while, but I think I have decided, I haven't told anybody yet, so this is going to be a shocker to them, but I have decided Monster.
Oh, okay. No, that's,
I'm going to go with it because we're more than likely we're going to have someone in our group that eventually gets Rossier. So I figured, you know, I'll be that guy that goes outside there and get a Monster. What I would like to do is a black can like that, but then they have the red tip and the red M on it.
Yep.
So it'll kind of just wrap everything together. The one thing I am torn on that I can't make up my mind is the header pipe. I would like it in black. It's about $65 more for the header pipe in black, but the only reason I'm now kind of thinking aesthetically, I think it'd look great in black.
Yeah,
okay, but as far as holding up, I'm not sure how that coating's going to hold up, you know, with pits, like, because you know I live on a lot of lime rock roads, so you get a little pieces of rock to throw up on it. So I'm kind of now thinking more so going to the brushed.
One thing that's weird, and I know it's not really, it doesn't really matter, but man, here I worry about being too loud. I'm not even close to too loud. It can kind of have more of a factory look if it's all black like that.
Yeah.
It doesn't have that special look to it.
Yeah.
But it'll be interesting to see how nice this header looks after a season. Oh, it looks like we might have melted a bag on there. Whoops. It's so easy to take your backpack and set it on there.
I know.
Yep.
That was me.
Oh, okay, so Connor melted the bag. This is Connor, by the way.
Uh-oh, Connor, Gary.
He's been super helpful.
Nice to meet you.
So, I mean, what's the best part about these is there's a lot of products on the market. I mean, you can really set it up however you want. And
Yeah.
it's fun to build these over time. You don't want it to just be all tricked out overnight.
You're right. It is fun to always look forward to the next part, you know.
Exactly.
If you did dump, if you would have did this day one, you'd already be tired of it, you know.
Yeah, it's fun to bring another product to the table to show people, and I mean, these are pretty high-end parts, so
Yeah.
it sounds awesome, it looks awesome, and
It looks really good. They did a good job on that slip on there.
they have two different graphics for the muffler. I went for the longer one. I really like the name and everything. It just has a pretty high-end look to it. So.
And I'm amazed at how big that header pipe is. That's a big pipe.
It is bigger than the HMF. That was
I mean,
on
if you look at the stock Raptor, there's a big difference there.
It is.
Wow. I like that.